Yo, Sheezy here, man, back with another banger video. And today's video is how to get rich off business credit. Business credit is a game changer, bro. I remember when I got my first business credit card, it opens up a whole lot of opportunities for you all. So we're gonna explain here completely how to use business credit to get rich. So with business credit, it's different than personal credit. It's because your business credit doesn't report to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. So you can see the benefit here, right? So think about it. You can use this card, say you have a business, and this highlights you because I preach use credit to invest. Yeah, I get what all of you are saying. Using credit to invest is risky, but listen, man, you got to take the risk somewhere. As long as you invest in a low-risk business and use that money as your initial investment and then pay your investment back. Let's say, for example, like you starting a lawn care business. Man, you take like $2K maybe, get you a little zero turn or something like that. I don't know how much it costs, I'm just butchering it, but yeah, go get you a little zero turn, man. Go cut a whole bunch of lawns, make the 2K back. You sitting pretty, then you profited. And then what you do is you get you a 0% interest card to do this. You don't do this on a card that doesn't have a 0% interest offer. Also preach that a lot, because this is what a lot of people do. Like, this is how people get their whole business started, man. They use business credit because it's easier to get than a business loan. Like a business loan, you need a lot of business revenue. If you're an LLC startup, I would recommend going for a business credit card. See, man, I got three, man. I got one with GM business. I got the Amex baby right here, man. The Amex baby. And I just recently got that, the US Bank business card, man. So yeah, I got a couple and they all have high limits on there, bro. I got through 15K off one of them, bro. So it's doable. So imagine that. You get 15K, right? With 21 months of 0% interest. Do y'all see what y'all can do with it? Like, you have to be business minded to take these opportunities, man. Like I said, lawn care business, man, the clothing brand, anything that you need, like a investment to start up, bro, you can go do that, bro. I'm saying it opens up so much opportunities. And then think about it. On your personal credit, you won't have to worry about, if you do have to carry a balance for a couple months, you get your recoup your initial investment. You don't have to worry about you not being able to get approved for apartments, car loans, homes, and all that. That's what I recommend you doing on the business side. That's all you gotta do. Yeah, and the way you go about doing this, you gotta start your LLC first. That's the first thing you gotta do. I'm gonna be dropping in my mentorship LLC startup guide, bro. So make sure y'all go check out the mentorship. It's in the description below. So yeah, you need to start up an LLC. Make sure you got good personal credit. That's gonna be the next thing. If you don't have good personal credit, you're not getting nowhere, because the way you go about getting business credit is the easiest way is to PG. What is PG? Personal guarantee. You're going to personal guarantee. You're going to be the personal guarantor by your personal credit. So if you got a decent personal credit, an institution will look at your, your credit and everything like that. They'll be like, well, he does not have, business revenue to show, but he has personal income he can show, so we can improve him on the business side. And y'all see, then y'all get say y'all got a high limit on the personal, y'all got 10,000 over there. They might loan you 10,000 on the business side. And then guess what? Now, you see what I'm saying? Now you start your business up. And then once you get that revenue in, once that revenue starts generating, you pay off your initial investment. It's really no risk, man. Like I said, people think that it's so hard to do this. This is easy, bro. This is easy work. Like, all business to do this, bro. Like, this thing about it, unless you have a lot of startup capital, which I'm gonna be honest, if we're just regular working class people, sometimes we don't. Just being real, like sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. Maybe you get lucky and get a chance to save, but sometimes, hey, we have to do what we have to do to make ends meet. So sometimes we know we got good personal credit. We want to try to, level up and, expand that. So we're like, okay, well, I always want to start a business. So here's the perfect opportunity, bro. So the cards I recommend y'all should get, man, Amex is real good. Do not ruin your relationship with Amex. Pay them back, bro. Amex has a lot of good cards. That's American Express, for y'all that don't know the abbreviation. They have a lot of great cards, man. I got the gold card with them, man. I got that business cash. I think I have one more with them. I got to check, man. I got a lot of cards now, but yeah, Amex is a really good institution, man. This US Bank one, that's a slept on one too. I just seen that. The US Bank Platinum card, bro. That Platinum card, 21 months, 0% interest, and it got balance transfers too. And I haven't seen that a lot on the business side. So a business credit card that has balance transfers, that'll be good for y'all to do, man. Because y'all can literally, like, think about it. Or let's say, even if you're starting, because it's a major software. Here's some pay attention. If you're starting that business up and it's take you longer to get to recoup your initial investment, balance transfer to another 0% interest card. Now let's think about it. Now you extended that 21 months to what? Another 12 months after that? You good, boys. You good. Like, I gave y'all the whole sauce right here, bro. That's all you gotta do to get rich off business credit, bro. You know, take that business credit, because it's easier to get approved than a business loan. Just be real out here. So y'all do that, man. Invest in your business, recoup your initial investment, bro. And guess what? You in the green, you profit, bro. So I hope I helped y'all out here, man. If I did, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It helps me out a ton. Sheets, get out of here. Peace out. You have a very good day. I'm out.